Do some more. Were you making him laugh, Taylor?
No, he's not laughing.
He was. He was laughing a lot. Try it again.
He did not pick up the
Mhm.
I'm trying to make it boy. We'll get you a toy later on.
Okay. Taylor's going to get you a toy, Easton. She's going to come right back. You want me to tickle you? Hey, tickle, 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 tickle. Hey, tickle, tickle. Hey, tickle, tickle. Taylor came back with a toy for you. Oh, look at that. A pretty bracelet.
You can use it if you like.
Thank you, Taylor. Watch out.
I'm gonna watch him.
Oh, it's so nice.
Can I have stickers?
You want to play with your stickers?
First we have to put that away.
Okay, go ahead and put it away. Thank you for thinking to clean up. That's good.